Assalamu alaikum, hey everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, your instructor Sunny, with one of the essential topic which is all about synchronization. In this video I'm gonna explain synchronization and its two algorithms. But before moving toward the topic, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members, and share it with those who are in need of it. So let's step ahead toward the topic. The topic which I'm going to explain today, that is all about synchronization and its two algorithm. The first one is bakery algorithm and the second one is waiting algorithm. So let's step ahead toward the synchronization. That what is synchronization? So synchronization in operating system is the coordination of concurrent processes or threads to ensure correct execution and prevent conflicts when accessing shared resources. Synchronization is the process of coordinating tasks to work together without conflicts or errors. In synchronization, time and sequence is important. Here you can see the example of a shared bank account. In this example, there is one bank account shared resource. User 1 is running process 1 to deduct money from the account, and user 2 is running process 2 to check the balance. So if no proper synchronization is used in this example, then user 2 might see the old balance before user 1 deducts the money. So this causes inconsistent or incorrect results called race condition. It means that your result might be wrong if you do not use the proper synchronization. So this is the simple and clear example of synchronization. So let's step ahead to know more about synchronization. So synchronization in computing means coordinating the actions of multiple processes or threads so they work together properly. It is important in systems with many threads or processes to keep data correct and avoid problems like race conditions, where two tasks try to use the same data at the same time and cause errors. Here you can see the example in the slide. So now what is race conditions? Race conditions occur when two computer program processes or threads attempt to access the same resource at the same time and cause problems in the system. Here you can see the example in the picture that two threads are accessing the destination in the same time. So they can cause errors and the result might be wrong. So this is the clear and simple example of synchronization. So I hope you have gotten the synchronization, that what is synchronization. Remember, I have already told that in synchronization, time and sequence is really important. So I hope you have gotten synchronization. So let's step ahead toward the algorithms. So there are two algorithms. So the first one is bakery algorithm. So this is a software based mutual exclusion algorithm designed to ensure that multiple processes or threads can access a critical section in an orderly and fair manner. It works by assigning a unique number, like a ticket, to each process, and the process with the smallest number gets access to the critical section first, and with the largest number gets access to the critical section second. So I hope you have gotten the bakery algorithm because it's so easy and it is related to our real life. So I hope you have gotten bakery algorithm. So here I have just added a picture of the code where if else is used. If I is less than j, then process I is served first. If j is less than I, then process j will be served first. So let's step ahead toward the bakery algorithm example. So here I have mentioned the example of bakery algorithm. Here you can see the example. P3 will execute first, P1 will execute second, P4 will execute third, and P2 will execute in the fourth position. You can see here the token numbers. P3 is first, P1 is second, P4 is third, P2 is in the fourth position. So you can see clearly in this example. So I hope you have gotten the bakery algorithm with this clear and simple example. So waiting algorithm, we have two approaches: busy waiting algorithm and the sleep waiting algorithm. Busy waiting algorithm is defined as a process synchronization technique where the process waits and continuously keeps on checking for the condition to be satisfied before going ahead with its execution. Busy waiting is also known as busy looping or spinning. The process keeps checking in a loop for a condition to become true. CPU is constantly used even though no progress is made. So I hope you have gotten the busy waiting algorithm. So here you can see the busy waiting algorithm code. So let's step ahead toward the sleep waiting algorithm. So in sleep waiting algorithm is the process where the task or process does not consume the process when it's waiting for its condition to be satisfied. The process goes to sleep blocks if it cannot proceed. CPU is free for other processes. The process is woken up when the condition is met. So I hope you have gotten the sleep waiting algorithm. So here you can see the code of the sleep waiting algorithm. So let's step ahead toward the busy waiting algorithm steps. So there are 3 steps of busy waiting algorithm. So the first step is process 1 makes use of a shared resource. Here you can see the example in the picture. So let's step ahead toward the second step. The second step is process 2 needs the shared resource that is already being used by process 1. Here you can see the example of the process 2 who need the shared resource. So let's step ahead toward the step 3. So in step 3 you can see that process 2 enters into the busy waiting state until it's get access to the shared resources. So you can see here clearly the example of the busy waiting algorithm. So I hope you have gotten the synchronization and its algorithm. So if you have any question related to this topic or another topic, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. And in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos, or share it with those who are in need of it. So this is all for today. Thanks for being a part of this class. Allah Hafiz.